Hello children, Congruence of Triangles, Class 7, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 7, and this is the part 2. So in the previous class, we have studied about the congruence definition, congruence of line segment, congruence of angles, and congruence of triangles. Right? So in today's class, we will be studying about congruence criterion. Okay, we have 3 different congruence criterion. So let us study about SSS congruence criterion first. Okay, so what do you mean by SSS? Okay, so SSS indicates side, side and side. Okay, so if the 3 sides of one triangle are equal to the 3 corresponding sides of another triangle, then the 2 triangles are congruent. So here the corresponding sides are BC and DF. See, can you all see this diagram? ABC is one triangle and DEF is other triangle. So BC is congruent to DF. Okay, which means both are equal. BC is equal to DF. And what about AC? AC is equal to EF. And AB is equal to DE. Okay, so these are the corresponding vertices. And what about the corresponding vertices? A vertex is equal to vertex E and vertex B is equal to vertex D and vertex C is equal to vertex F. Okay, therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EDF. Okay, so this is what the SSS congruence criterion indicates, which means the 3 sides of one triangle must be equal to the 3 corresponding sides of another triangle. Okay, so next comes the SAS congruence criterion. So what does the SAS indicates here is S in the sense side, A in the sense angle, and the other S also indicates the side, which means if 2 sides and the angle included between them of a triangle are equal to 2 corresponding sides and the angle included between them of another triangle, then the triangles are said to be congruent. So what do you mean by included? The angle included between them. See here, as you all can see in this diagram, ABC is one triangle and XYZ is other triangle. Right? So here, which 2 sides are equal? AB is equal to XY. Right? And BC is equal to YZ. Right? So the angle which is included between them, which means angle B in triangle ABC and angle Y in triangle XYZ. So if Z and C are equal, it is not the included angle. Okay, the included angle in the sense where the 2 sides meet. Okay, so that is called as the included angle. Okay, when 2 sides and an angle which is included between them are equal, then it is said to be congruent according to SAS congruence criterion. Okay, so here AB is equal to XY, BC is equal to YZ, therefore ABC is the included angle. Okay, when it comes to the vertex, vertex A is equal to vertex X, vertex B is equal to vertex Y, and vertex C is equal to vertex Z. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ according to SAS congruence criterion. Is it clear, children? Next comes ASA or AAS congruence. Okay, A in the sense angle and S in the sense side and A angle, which means 2 angles and the included side has to be equal for this congruence to be okay. So if 2 angles and the included side of a triangle are equal to 2 corresponding angles and the included side of another triangle, then the triangles are said to be congruent. So if any 2 angles of a triangle are given, then the third angle can be found by using the sum of the 3 angles, which is equals to 180 degree. Okay, as you all can see in this diagram. See, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Right? So here angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. Okay, so which is the side which is included in that? BC is the side and here QR is the side. Okay, and also here when you know the two sides, two angles, you can easily find out the other angle also. How? By using the sum of three angles. We know that the sum of three angles is 180 degree, right? When you subtract this from 180 degree, you get the other angle. Okay, so this is how you find out the third side. Okay, therefore vertex A is equal to vertex P and vertex B is equal to vertex Q and vertex C is equal to vertex R. Therefore, the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR according to ASA or AAS congruence. Is it clear, children? Next comes the RHS congruence criterion. Okay, so if the hypotenuse and one side of a right angle triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and one side of another right angle triangle, then the triangles are said to be congruent. Which means what? See, RHS, which means R in the sense it has to be a right angle triangle, H in the sense hypotenuse, and S is nothing but the side. Is it clear? So, for a Pythagoras theorem, the triangle has to be right angle triangle, right? So, the longest side is called as the hypotenuse. In this triangle ABC, which is the longest side? AC is the longest side, right? In the triangle DEF, it is DF, right? So, it is called as hypotenuse. Okay, and of course, it is right angle triangle, right? And which side is equal here? Here, ABC, angle ABC is equal to angle DEF is equals to 90 degree and angle AC is equals to angle DF, which is nothing but the hypotenuse side, and AB is equals to DE. Can you all see here? AB is equal to DE. Is it clear? Therefore, RHS, which means right angled, hypotenuse side is equal and the side is equal. Okay, that is how you can say that according to RH congruence criterion, these two triangles are congruent to each other. So, summary. What did we study in today's class? We have studied about the congruence of two triangles, SSS, SAS and ASA congruence criterion, and RHS congruence of two right angled triangles. So, here are few questions to be answered. Please pause the video and then try to answer the questions. Okay, so which angle is included between the sides DE and EF of DEF? And what is the side included between the angles M and N of MNP? And the third question is, you want to establish triangle DEF is congruent to triangle MNP using the ASA congruence rule. Okay, remember this, children. According to ASA congruence rule, you have to find out. So, you are given that angle D is equals to angle M and angle F is equals to angle P. So, what information is needed to establish the congruence? So, here two angles are given. So, what is the other information which is necessary for this congruence to happen? Okay, so this is what is the question. So, I hope you have understood. So, we'll meet in the next class.